al pollo alla pizzaiola. Benvenuti.
Of extra virgin olive oil. Today we're gonna make pollo
Alla pizzaiola.
alla pizzaiolas. Yes,
Okay.
that's right. Here is the kitchen. I mean the kitchen. Here is the chicken. We're gonna make chicken. That's right. And then we're on top. We're gonna put peppers and garlics and eggs. I mean, it's absolutely delicious. Okay, mommy, so what are we doing now? We're just gonna, ¿qué facciamo ora?
Un pochino di sale.
We're just gonna put a little bit of salt, okay?
E un poquito di sale.
And a little bit of pepper. And we're just gonna mix it together.
Okay.
We're gonna put it in here. And we're just gonna turn it right out. Right, mommy? And these breadcrumbs, we prepare them ourselves. You know, we just get some bread that gets hard and we just go ahead and make the breadcrumbs ourselves. So here there is onions, pepper, garlic. And that's it. And we're just gonna go ahead and process it. Chop. Olive oil.
E le puoi mettere un poquito más de sal.
A little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And then we mix. Woo! Doesn't it look pretty? È bellissimo,
È bellissimo,
mami.
ok.
Pizzaiola, because you see how we put like the topping on top of the chicken, so it looks like a pizza. Pizzaiola, vero mami?
Pizzaiola.
E questa idea, mami, dove l'hai imparato? Where did you learn this recipe, mami?
Eh sì, la mia mamma sempre le faceva.
Oh, your mother made it all the time. So, mettici
un pochitico
il...
más.
Ok,
Mettere
ci
un
mettiamo un po' di...
Così, así, passalo así.
So-
Ok, già, già, già. Ok.
And then now we
Okay.
are gonna put it in the oven. It doesn't matter if the oven is not on. We're gonna turn it on right now. In fact, we're gonna do bake 350 start for 45 minutes. Woo! Mami, pronto!
E ora
È ora di mangiare.
a
It's
provare
time
il
to eat.
pollo alla pizzaiola.
Buonissimo. Wow.